So, you would like to know how to change the speed in which the game progresses in Crusader Kings 3. This is pretty easy. All you have to do is to go down here. You can press here to stop or play again and restart the time. You can also press the spacebar, but what you want to do is to click here 1 for the slowest speed, then slowly increase, and you can go up to 5, which is very quick. To see better how quickly or slowly the speed is changing, you can see the time, the day. For example, if you press 1 and we start, you see that it's very slow. Green means that the time is progressing. Red means that it's not progressing. While if we go all the way to 5, which is the maximum speed, and we press play, it's super quick. Months have gone by in these few instances. And that is it. That is how you change the speed of the game in Crusader Kings 3. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.